We share our truck with two little fellas, Patch and Riley, and they do not have a logbook.
Hi, I'm Dave Urquhart.
And I'm Deb Urquhart. We met at truck driving school, and here we are, 20 years later, driving team.
My name's Dave Patoma. I'm a local and regional driver. I've been driving for Challenger now for almost 25 years. I like driving. I think about it as a hobby, and I get paid for it.
Yeah, great day.
Thank you. For us, as owning our own truck, fuel mileage and performance is one of our main things. Using the diesel-efficient fuel, I noticed that the difference within one tank. A lot more power, pulls the hills really great, really good. The engine runs just smooth as a kitten, just tickety-boo.
I've been using diesel efficient for 10 months now. I used to drop a gear on one hill that I travel in the north all the time. And with the same load on, I don't even drop that gear anymore. It just pulls up that hill, it's nice and smooth, and away I go.
We were using an additive in the truck, and when we started using the diesel efficient fuel, we no longer use that additive. So it saves us money, and as owner-operators, that's what you need to do.
My exhaust stack, it's a lot cleaner. The soot's basically gone. The whole engine's got to be running a lot cleaner than it used to. When it's doing its rolling regens down the highway, you can smell it. And sweet smell in the truck now. A lot better than the old stuff.
I would recommend diesel-efficient fuel, yes, and I already have to many of my friends. Downtime is expensive for an owner-operator, and you want to keep her rolling.